Back with a do-it-yourself earring video. So as you can see, I'm going to make some butterfly earrings. I'm going to do the pink ones. I already did the yellow ones off camera. But I'm just going to show you easily how you can, you know, make some craft projects, and particularly related to beauty, because that's what my channel is about. That's what I love. So let's begin. But hold on, let me start off with saying that this is a 3 count. So you get 3, I would say, medium-sized butterflies. And guys, when I tell you they are super lightweight, they are super lightweight. This is by the brand Floral Garden. Remember that you can find this in the craft section with the floral things, and it's also a green briar Dollar Tree product, so you already know. That sparkle, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. It's so cute. So, you know these little hair gems that you get from the beauty supply store? I'm gonna repurpose these, and these are gonna be like the anchor to put my earring hoops through. The Dollar Tree has small beads, but I felt like, you know, I didn't need that, being that I already have things at home that I could repurpose. So there's ways to get around it, but for the sake of this video, I'm using things that I already have at home, with the exception of, you know, just the main piece. I'm sure you could go around ways to actually make this into an earring or whatever the case may be, but for the purpose, I'm going to repurpose these hair gems. And then I'm just shaping it back, you know what I mean? Like just shaping it back like that, so the ears could, you know, just shaping these antennas back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press down to make this hair gem flat. Just press down like really towards the base, so that could be close to my earring, so that could be close to my my ear hole. Try to get it as flat as I can with my fingers, and then I'll go in with a plier just to get it real flat. So I took an old earring that I hardly use, and I just took out the hook. Make sure you leave some space in between so that the hook can actually go through. See how I went through? And now you see how I went through the little hole. I'm just going to close it. So you see how I closed that quickly? I get this hair gem through. Because there's excess gem on this side, I'm just going to fold it back some. Fold it under. You see how I made it thinner? I folded it under. Try to get it flat in the middle so that it will stay. I'm gonna open this side. So it's open. Can you see how it's in the hole? Can you see how it's in the hole? Now I'm just gonna close it. You can use your teeth if you don't have these pliers, but I'm just gonna close it with the pliers. So here are both earrings, and I will showcase them at the end. So cute. So cute. Yes, girl. It's super lightweight. It feels like nothing is on. You can even have little girls with things like this. If they have their hair up in little bobos. I mean, you can have your hair down, but I feel like it shows more when you got your hair pulled up on a head wrap like your girl right now. So I love y'all so much. You can make a pair for 33, 60, under 75 cents. So yes, I love you so much. Let me know what y'all think. See you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed. See you.
I'm looking for a girl tonight. Sexy comes in any color. It doesn't matter shape or size.